Rambo's a good worker. Never been chosen yet.
I was thinking about Cosmo. Him dedicated. Him doing stuff, and he's a very humble person.
Donnie or somebody. He's a good worker.
Anthony does a lot.
Donnie, because he's a hard-working guy. He do a lot of stuff. He break his back. He break his wrist. He good.
Definitely Danny. Feel the same way as Cyprian. Danny's a hard worker.
I think me, because everybody said Davis to get it.
Excited about your win?
Yes.
Cosmo, he deserve it, because he a hard worker and he been here for years. He run the paving crew with no problem.
I'm kind of excited, that shows that I'm paying attention. I see his dedication. He's always here for the company, whether it's night or day. Driving Mack truck, driving the backhoe, he's always there. No questions asked. I would like to congratulate you on winning Employee of the first quarter of the year. You deserve it, you're a hard worker and you're dedicated. So, big up.
I feel very good because Cyprian works very hard. He drives the truck, he drives the machine, he helps with us in the pipe, jackhammer, and doing everything. Cyprian do everything, so I'm very happy about it.
I feel proud, I feel good knowing that Cyprian has won because that guy go hard for Harris, trust me. He jump out his machine, he help us in hard times. This guy always on time, always dependable. A good team leader. Cyprian is the one who really inspired me to go hard in Harris, That guy inspired me a lot, and I'm proud of him. Proud to go out there and work with him. We work as a team, we work as a family in Harris, and that's how we keep it.
He's a dedicated guy. Congratulations, Cyprian.
Well, that's good, Cyprian is a good guy. He's a hard-working machine operator too.
I feel good about that. Cyprian is a consistent guy. Ever since it came here, it's been like non-stop working, Saturday, Sunday, any time of the day, any time of the night, around the clock. That's Cyprian. He's the best, one of the best.
He's a good guy, so he deserves it. Twin wish Cyprian, congratulations for winning.
He worked very hard. He's one of the best operators we have in the shop. We're proud of him. Deserve nobody else should.
My name is Cyprian Antoine. I'm a backhoe operator. I'm with the company for about 5 years now. Because of my commitments to the job, my sacrifice, the things I do. It's technical. I like technical things. I like doing technical stuff. We work between utilities and stuff like that. It's a dangerous job. That's a tough question. I would say Danny again. Danny. I'll say that I'm the best operator. I'm the best backhoe operator in Harris. You could ask any one of the workers, they'll tell you. The way he go about doing stuff, the way he handle the machine, you handle the machine showing like, you have experience. And I got a lot of that. That's true. I'm the smoothest operator, the cleanest operator, the nicest operator. The tip I would give people at Harris, they treat their customers with respect. When they come to your job, they do it to the best of their ability, they do it good, and you're satisfied.